plan this? Huh? No? No? All right, that's fine. What's your name?
No.
That's a great name. All right, you know what? I gotta tell you, this is a little bit of a difficult experiment, so I have to get a few more volunteers just in case, okay? So you wait right here, I'm gonna get a couple more volunteers. Who wants to come up? Let me get you to come right up here. Let me get you to step up here. Let's see who else. Let me get you to go up there. Let's see. What? No one else? Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Let's see. Let's get you to come up here. Let's see. Let's see. Let me get you, Mr. Sir. And I need one more. We'll get you as well. I love it. Perfect. All right. This is great. I love how you address these children today, especially these two right here. I love it. All right. Now listen up. We're going to play a little game, okay? If I tap you on the shoulder and I say go, I want you to go stand right over there by those books, okay? If I tap you on the shoulder and say go stand over by those books. Everybody look forward. Go!
Yeah.
Go!
Yeah.
Goose! Good job! Go over there. All right, boys. Line up behind me. Quickly. All right, perfect. Now, gentlemen, stay right there. As you all remember, this is a flask. And this right here, this is a round belly flask. I know, it's true. This is what happens when flasks get older. All right, here we go. Now, boys, today, I must tell you, today, we are going to use some chemicals. Now, I'll let you in on a little secret. This chemical that we're about to use, you will start using in about the 7th grade. The girls already use this chemical. And if you start using this chemical, the girls might actually talk to you. The chemical that I am referring to is known as soap. Parents, you're welcome. All right. We're going to play a game. It's called red light, green light, 1, 2, 3. Have you ever heard of it? Well, it's really complicated, so pay attention. When I say green light, I want you to pour some soap into this flask. When I say red light, I want you to... stop. There you go. Okay, so take off your emergency brake. Perfect. And... red light. Green light. Oh, the speed limit must be low down here, I tell you. Red light. Green light. Yellow light. That means speed up. At least in Philadelphia, where I'm from, it does. All right. Red light. Good job. Back the line. All right, here you go, Mr. Tie-Eye. It's for you. Here we go. And red light.
Bubble.
Red light. Red light. Good job. You did great. No, I'm just kidding. Here you go. Come on back. All right, go. Green light. There you go. Oh. Welcome. Come on, green light. Green light. Red light. Okay, good. All right, last but not least. Here you go. You ready? And green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Red light. Green light. Yellow light. Oh, you're all over the road. How many juice boxes have you had today, huh? Oh, blue lights. You better stop. All right, high five. Back to your seat. 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 Perfect. I love that. He came to observe. There we go. A little bit more. All right, now, ladies, come right over here. For you, ma'am, I would like you to step right on this side and put your right hand right there. Perfect. Now, for you, I would like for you to put your wrong hand on the other side. That's the opposite of right. There we go. And for you, I want you to put your third hand in the middle.
I have a third hand.
Well, then pick one. There you go. All right, well, we have our chemicals, we have our volunteers, we have our equipment, but whenever you are doing a science experiment, there's something that you must have. It is called a scientific guess, also known as a hypothesis. Now, a hypothesis is where you take something that you know and you use it to answer a question about something you don't know. For example, how many of you have ever had chocolate milk before? And how many of you have ever had chocolate milk through a straw? And how many of you have ever used that straw in reverse? What do you get when you do that, huh? You get lots and lots of... So, I hypothesize that if I take some of this dry ice and I drop it into that water, it's going to turn into a gas. That gas is going to fill up all of that soap, and we should get lots and lots of... Now, ladies, I must tell you, this is very serious science telling. So at no point during this entire experiment are you allowed to smile. You're smiling. I can see it coming through. You're smiling. Oh, now you're laughing. That's even worse than smiling. Oh, boy, I tell you. Okay, I'll make a deal. You can smile. You can even laugh if you want to. But this is a very pretty room with lovely art on the wall, so we cannot make a mess. Okay? Deal? No mess? Deal? For those of you in the 4th grade or older, this is what is known as foreshadowing. All right, here we go. We're going to try and make some bubbles. Here we go. Woo! Uh-oh. Is it making bubbles? Let's make a few more bubbles. I love it. A few more bubbles, and we're not making a mess. This is perfect. This is great. Here, let me add a few more. We'll make a few more bubbles. I love it. How are our bubbles doing over there, huh? Wait, what is this? Ladies, I said we cannot make a mess. This is clearly making a mess. This is not good. Oh, boy, what are we going to do? Wait, I know how to stop this. I know how to stop this. I think if I add a little bit more dry ice, it should stop. Let's try that out, should we? Ah, that's even worse! What are we going to do? All right, clearly one more piece of ice should stop it. What do you think? Let's see here. Wait! I think I have an idea as to what to do with some of these bubbles. Let's leave this right here. Let me grab some of these bubbles right here. Perfect. And... All right, high five. High five. Back to your seat. High five. Back to your seat. High five. Back to your seat. Perfect, perfect. All right, I got a question. Do you guys want to try? Yeah! All right, well, I have one rule if you guys want to try this, and it must be followed